7 ways to boost your metabolism for weight loss. If you're wondering how your body converts food into energy for daily activities, the answer is metabolism. Your body's metabolism determines how many calories you burn throughout the day and the rate at which you lose or gain fat. A person with a high metabolism would burn more fat and calories than those with a lower body metabolism. Therefore, if you want to burn calories faster and achieve weight loss quicker, you might want to look for ways to boost your body's metabolism. This video will look at 7 ways to boost your body's metabolism for weight loss. 1. Eat more protein. As one of the body's essential macronutrients, proteins can boost your body's metabolism in several ways. Firstly, being the most thermogenic macronutrient, protein requires more energy to digest, absorb, and use carbohydrates and fats. Secondly, proteins help you build and preserve muscle mass, the main factor in basal metabolic rate, BMR, the number of calories you burn at rest. Aim to eat about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily, and include protein-rich foods in every meal and snack. Great protein sources include animal sources such as eggs, chicken, fish, or dairy products, and plant sources like beans, lentils, tofu, or nuts. 2. Drink more water. Water is essential for all metabolic processes in your body. Therefore, drinking plenty of water would boost your body's metabolism, while dehydration would slow it down. Also, drinking plenty of water can temporarily increase metabolic rate by up to 30%, especially if cold. The recommended amount of water intake per day is at least 8 glasses of water per day. However, you should take more if you exercise or live in a hot climate. 3. Lift weights. Training your strength is one of the best ways to boost your metabolism. This is because it increases your muscle mass and your BMR. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even when you're not moving. Additionally, lifting weights creates a metabolic afterburn effect. This means that you continue to burn calories for hours after your workout. You should aim for at least 2 sessions of strength training per week, focusing on all major muscle groups. 4. Do regular high-intensity interval training, HIIT. These exercises involve alternating short bursts of intense activity with extended periods of low-intensity recovery. HIIT increases your oxygen consumption and excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, the amount of oxygen your body needs to return to its normal state after exercise. Consequently, your body's metabolism increases. Furthermore, HIIT can also improve your insulin sensitivity and fat-burning capacity. Have a target of at least 1 session of HIIT per week, lasting no more than 20 minutes. 5. Drink green tea or coffee. Caffeine and antioxidants in green tea and coffee can speed up your metabolism and raise energy expenditure. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a substance found in green tea, can improve the effects of caffeine and boost fat oxidation. Green tea or coffee should be consumed 2 to 4 times daily, preferably before or during meals. 6. Spice up your meals. Spicy foods can temporarily increase metabolism by raising body temperature and triggering thermogenesis, creating heat from food. Black pepper, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and chili peppers are a few spices that have this effect. Spice up your meals a little, but don't go overboard. Too much sauce can upset your stomach or make it difficult to fall asleep. 7. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for controlling your metabolism and hormones like leptin and ghrelin that regulate your energy and appetite. Sleep deprivation can decrease metabolic rate, increase hunger and cravings, and reduce physical activity. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, nicotine, blue light, and caffeine between 7 and 9 hours of decent sleep each night. These valuable tips can help you boost your body's metabolism and burn more calories daily. By following these tips, you can be sure of significantly increasing your body's metabolism and calorie burning. However, body metabolism is not the only factor that affects weight loss. It would be best to have a balanced diet with enough calories and nutrients for your health and activity level. Additionally, consistently monitoring your habits and progress over time would be best. Lastly, bear in mind that weight loss is not achieved overnight. Instead, it is a long-term journey that requires patience and perseverance. Following our references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.